welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Happy New Year. Yes, I still have my Christmas tree up. Please don't judge me. For today's video, I'm gonna be testing out viral TikTok fashion hacks and DIYs. I've gathered some really good ones that I've been wanting to try, and I figured why not do it here with you guys? So here we go. I just love finding different ways to like elevate my outfits or repurpose my clothing, so that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Let's get into it. Okay, this first one I've seen all over TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. It's literally everywhere, and it is how to turn your scarf into a giant bow. I just think this one is absolutely adorable. It's definitely an eye catcher, and it's just very cute overall. Like, why have a boring scarf around your neck when you can have a giant bow instead? I feel like this will look good using a chunky scarf. At least that's what I've seen all of the TikTok girlies use. So I'm gonna try it using the chunkiest scarf that I own. I'm gonna be following the tutorials on my laptop down here. If you see me look down, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, looks like we have to fold one side over. You just fold it again and then one more time and then wrap around. Let's try it. You guys, this is harder than it looks. What did I do? What went wrong? Okay, it's like kind of there. Let me maybe I just need to like pull it tighter. Oh. Okay. It's not bad. I think it just needs some practice. Like what? Okay, wait, hold on. Oh, okay, I see it. I didn't pull it all the way through. Wait, hold on. It's almost there. Okay, I like adjusted it a little bit and I feel like it's better. I just feel like this part is so thick. Let me look at the video again. Yeah, like hers is so small right there. I'm gonna try it one more time and see how it comes out. I feel like this is something that it'll be cuter as you like practice it more. Like it'll get better, so. I mean, yeah. Let's try it again. Fold over 1, 2, 3. Grab the middle one and bring it around, which is what I thought I did, but let me like go slower this time. It actually looks like a bow now. She's cute. Ta-da! Okay, I would give this hack an 8.5 out of 10. I do think it's really cute. Just take some practice. I like it though. The way my jaw literally fell to the floor when I saw this hack, like, it's just amazing. So it's kind of two styles or hacks in one. You just need a tube top and a tiered maxi skirt. Luckily, I have both of those. So this first way that she's transforming these two pieces is into this like bubble dress situation. So it looks like you just pull the maxi skirt all the way up and then you pull down the tube top on top of it onto your waist. You just pull the fabric here and kind of have it like floating on top. Let's try it. We pulled this up, we pulled this down over. Now you just kind of fluff this up. Ooh, I don't know about this one, guys. Okay, well, hold on. I just gotta like give these a chance. It's just not like looking like hers. I think she pulls it out like a lot actually. I did it. I feel like it's not looking the same. Okay, maybe. It's cute, right? I don't know. It's cute, but like would I actually wear it like this? Probably not. Probably not. I'm just being real. I'm just being real. In theory, she's cute though. Like I like the idea. I would give this hack, well, this part 1 of this hack, I would give it a 6 out of 10. Yeah, like I said, it's cute, but in theory, I probably wouldn't actually wear it like this. Let's try the second way. I have higher hopes for this one, so. All right, we are back to square one. This one's super cute. I also really love how she styled it, like the shoes, the bags, the headscarf. So cute. I think this one is very similar. So we're just gonna pull the skirt up all the way to our chest again, but this time have the tube top just like fully over it. And then it just kind of creates this like layering illusion effect that it's just like one dress. So let's try it. Okay, this one's actually really cute. I'm liking this one. I do wish my top was a little bit longer. It looks like hers kind of like hits her waist and it kind of like cinches in the fabric right there. Mine just cuts off at a weird length, but I do think it's really cute. Here's like the full length. I'll give this one, I'll go 8.5 again. I do think it's really cute. Nothing crazy, right? But it is cute. And you can do this with like any color tube top, which I like. But yeah, 8.5 out of 10. Okay, moving on to the third one. You guys, I'm completely in love with this one. Actually, what the heck, this girl looks so freaking cool. She basically just turns a plain graphic t-shirt into like this cool hooded top. I think this one has a lot of potential. I like that she used a graphic tee and not just like a plain t-shirt. I feel like it really added a lot. This is the only semi-baggy graphic tee that I had. It's this like No Doubt band tee. I'm not like 100% sure about this graphic for this style of top, but we'll see. I think I can make it work. She puts it on upside down and then just takes the excess fabric and puts it over her head. I do love the way she styled this. I think it's really cool, so let's try it. I'm only worried because it has text on it and like the text is gonna be upside down. So I'm like, are you gonna be able to tell that I'm wearing this upside down? Probably, but let's just try it. I don't know. I don't like that this has text on it, and also I would need to cut the tag out because like you can see the tag. I'm not 100% in love with it. I kind of look like the Virgin Mary. I feel like you can tell that I'm wearing the shirt upside down. Like from the back of the text is all upside down. I wish I had a better shirt to try this with. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I failed. I think if I had a better shirt, it would look better. But right now, it just kind of is like not it. I'm gonna give this one a 5. I'll be generous. I like the idea. Again, the execution, not so much. Yeah, I just flipped it around to see if that would look better, and I feel like it kind of does. Yeah, I'm thinking. I'm thinking about it. I'm like, I could also wear it like that. That's cute. Okay, well, yeah, I'm sticking with 5 out of 10 for this one. These viral moto boots have been everywhere. I feel like everyone and their mother has them, but I found this fun way to make them a little bit more personalized. It's kind of like the decorated bag trend made its way into boots, and I kind of love it. I've gathered my container of trinkets / charms to see what we can add. So this first video, this girl has like really chunky charms and like this cute little teddy bear. She even put her AirPods case on there. Like, that's so fun. And then the last video I saw, this girl used this reference pic and there was a Tamagotchi on there, and I thought that was so cute and perfect because I actually just got this for Christmas. It's the Hello Kitty Tamagotchi. I thought I would just open it and add it to the boots. I feel like it would be so cute. The Tamagotchi keychain has a lot of red in there, so I think I'm just gonna match everything to that. There's big Hello Kitty bear, vampire cat. I don't want to do like too much to where it's like, okay girl, calm down, but like it could be fun. Wait, I have this keychain of my cat. I feel like that would be so funny. So I might have to do that. Yeah, I think we have a good amount of trinkets to add, so let's just get to it. Okay guys, final reveal. They came out so cute. It's so noisy, but I don't care because they're so cute. Look, there's my cat, there's Carl. And then this one I added the Tamagotchi and then just this little bow keychain up there as well. I'm gonna give this hack a 10 out of 10. It's super trendy, super cute, and there's so many different ways that you could do it. I just love this one, 10 out of 10. All right, this next hack is a little bit more general. It's how to take any mini skirt and turn it into a top. I really like how the skirt that she used had like the drawstrings, but also the long, frilly, almost like train in the back. I didn't have anything quite like that, but I did think this black mini skirt would work well. It has like this ruching on the side, and then it does have drawstrings, so we can turn it into a halter top. I thought that would be so cute. So let's go ahead and try it out with this one. This one eats. This one eats. So cute, right? This one was pretty straightforward. All I did was pull up the top, tie the strings, and it worked. I feel like this skirt works really well for this, and I like that it has like the layers and stuff, so it just looks like it's meant to be a top. Yay, love it. I also have this skirt that I thought could work, and I want to try it. It has the ruching down the sides, and I love the bottom. Very fairy core. The only thing is that it doesn't have drawstrings, but the waistband is elastic, so I think it would stay up. Let's go ahead and try this one too. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I love this one. This is just too good. And I feel like I have so many mini skirts that could work for this. Like, why? I'm literally gonna start doing this all the time. I'm gonna go ahead and give this hack a 10 out of 10 because it's simple, it's easy, and it's very cute. There we have it. All right, this next one, all you need is an oversized button-up top, and we're gonna completely transform it using only a hair tie. Seems easy enough, right? We'll see. Come on, look at this. It looks so cute, and you can style it so many different ways. I feel like this one seems really complicated, but then once you do it, you're like, oh, that was easy. So I have this oversized pink and white striped vintage Dior button up. This was actually my boyfriend's a while ago, but he gave it to me. Yeah, I don't really wear it that often because it is very baggy on me. It's cute, but let's take it to the next level. The first thing you do is just cross it over like so. And then you grab your hair tie, you go from underneath, and you just make a little bunch with it. Okay. Okay, I think it worked, right? Yeah. I just feel like this top may be a little bit too baggy because it just looks a little bunchy. In her video, she like cuffs the sleeves up, so I'm gonna try that and see if it looks cuter, but I don't think it's bad. It has potential. I think this would be a lot cuter with like a mini skirt and some like knee-high boots. Love that. Okay, let me try rolling the sleeves though. I'm like on the fence about this one. Let me know what you guys think about this one. It is cute, it just needs some work, you know? It's cute actually. I'll say it's cute. I'll give this one a 7 out of 10. I think it's doable. I do think it's cute if you have the right top. Let me know what you guys think though. I love this one. Okay. I have a ton of these flower chokers. I feel like they were really popular a while ago and I don't really reach for them as much anymore. So I thought this would be a great way to repurpose them into a cute top. I'm thinking the pink one would be really cute with this white top. All she does is thread it through the neck hole and the sleeve. This top that I have on now is kind of like already the shape that I want it to be. Like she kind of like makes it into a one shoulder top, but this one kind of already is. So I think it'll work well. She also leaves the strings kind of like hanging down. So I feel like that could be really cute too. So let's try that. This is good. This is really good. I like this one. It's super cute. Hers is like a little bit higher, but I kind of like it draping down to be like super off the shoulder. And then she also does pretty much the same hair tie trick as the button up. She does it on the back to kind of like cinch it in. So I think I'm gonna try that too to make this like, you know, why not? Okay, wow. Wow. Yeah, this one's really good. I love how it just adds like a cute little feminine touch to pretty much just like a basic white tee. And you can do this with like any t-shirt really. Yeah, I'll give this one a 9. She's solid. She's solid. So 9 out of 10. Really cute. here is another simple way to transform a top. I always see this hack, you guys, and I've always wanted to try it, so here we go. You just need a tube top and then a matching camisole or tank top would work too. And then you can turn it into this super cute off-the-shoulder top. I'm really excited for this one, actually. I feel like this is one that I'll actually use a lot. Let's see how it goes. All right, it looks like you just thread the straps through your arms like so, and then you're just gonna flip this on your head. Ta-da! Okay, that one is actually really easy. This top is really tight though, and it's honestly restricting my arms. Like I can't, I can't move. So maybe I should have tried with like a looser fitting tank top because this is like a spandexy camisole, but it worked. So I'm happy about it. This is really cute, honestly. It just looks like a regular off the shoulder top. Like you can't really tell that it's two separate pieces. Oh, didn't realize the tag was sticking out though. Sorry about that. Oopsies. Okay, now we're good. Again, really simple, but we love it. We love a quick, easy fashion hack / DIY. I'm gonna give this one an 8. She's cute too. Easy, nothing more to say. It's a little basic, but that's why I gave it an 8. But other than that, I really like it. Yay! That was the last one. Ah! All right, guys, sadly, that was the last hack and we've reached the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me as I tested out these viral TikTok fashion hacks and DIYs. I really had so much fun. Let me know if you would like a part 2 because I have so many more that I saved that I would love to try with you guys. So let me know. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see more of my everyday life. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!